Hi folks, this is St. Paul Steamer here. This is my newly restored Jensen 45. I've had this for a long time and came to me with a bad heater. This is all broken up. I've got it held together by tape, but it's just all busted up. And so since there were no replacement heaters out there for it just sat. Well, I found a good substitute. And here it is. It's been completely gone through. Everything's been cleaned out, sandblasted or bead blasted down. It has a brass boiler, which is on the rare side. I wouldn't have bothered restoring it if it didn't have. But now it's got a 600 watt heater in it, which is way too much. But so it needs a variac to use. It's running on 76 watts and 40 volts right now, and that's a good slow speed for it. And it just came out really well. Just about everything on it's been done. It's got brand new sight glasses from Jensen. It's not grounded because of the type and makeup of the cord, and I wanted to keep it as original as possible. But I did find a good source of the heaters for it, and it works really well. And this one came out nice, and it runs a treat. This is only my second running, and usually I have to run them a few times to get the bugs out of them. Not so with this one. I put graphite in the tube that runs through the boiler that the axle runs through. I wanted to see if that would work better than the oil. I think oil kind of gaulds when it goes through a boiler. So we tried that. There's very little pressure in it right now. It's still, paint's still curing, and I get in a little bit of a hurry, so I don't want to really superheat the boiler. Sure, get that shut all the way. There we go. And it's pretty simple, straightforward little engine. Many of you have seen these. But the thing I'm excited about is I found a good replacement heater for them now. That's not too hard to put in. So I'll go ahead and crank the voltage up a little bit and we'll let it come alive. It's at 76 watts now. I don't know what factory these came out with. I'm sure about 350 or so. Put it up to about 200. There we go. Sure, it'll start picking up speed. It's got a cast iron type heating element with the heating coils are pressed into it, so it's got a lot of sustaining power. It stays warm for quite a while. Takes a while to heat up, takes a while to cool down. Anyway, there it is. Brass boiler 45 completely restored. Thanks for looking, folks.